Mine either. LTZ, thing look good. Guys, this weather is freaking horrible. Car season is officially over with. It is freaking snowing outside. Look at this. This is how the Halloween is. Look at this shit. Yeah, so I can't wait to get away and go to Vegas next week already, Tuesday. I'll be out of here for a little bit and hopefully I can come back to where it ain't no snow. We about to go in the shop, see what these guys got going on. Got a special treat for y'all today on this Halloween. I can't wait to see it. See what this Impala turned out to look like. Oh man, it's snowing. Let's get the heck out of here. Locking the doors. Nobody come by and try to steal nothing. Got the whole owl collection up front, man. Look at them. Let's see if we can get scared. What you jogging for? Yeah, okay. You would say that y'all favorite season, huh? This guy. You look like a snowman. No, I told you. Shit, we could have stayed longer. What's going on, off-road?
It's snowy and cold outside, but it's hot and we're on fire with your wheels.
Yeah, and you ain't sold nothing. Al ain't sold a damn thing today, man. He trying to cut out talking about some trick-or-treating. Taking his kids out and that.
4 years in a row I haven't gone when we went out to see him at a trick-or-treat with one of my kids.
Oh, what is this? The Al-mobile is up in here.
Still waiting on the powder cover.
Al got his car up in here, man. Y'all see what's going on with this BMW? What you getting done to it, Al?
Powder coating on the then I'm going to tint the headlights and the taillights.
Uh-oh. Y'all see Al stepping it up, man.
That's right. I got to kick up to you.
Hey. Carbon fiber door handles. Check them out, man. We don't want to touch nothing. He think he got the ultra red leather in here until he sit on some ultra leather.
That's the pleather, right?
Carbon fiber.
That's the BMW pleather.
No, this leather is just a different type. You know you got the real deal in here. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see how Al Bundy riding around here, man? What'd you say?
Probably dirty for my kids in there.
Oh. Well, you know when women drive vehicles. Y'all know what time it is, man. Look at Al over here. It's a secret. What color you get the wheels?
It's top secret. Tune in to the next video.
Tune in to the next video, guys.
Subscribers, what do you think I should powder coat them to?
White or red? The only two options.
Blue. There's blue and blue calipers.
Oh, no.
Red, white, and blue.
Oh, now you're American. All right, Donald. Donald J. What's up, man?
What's up, 32 gang?
They got you doing around here?
Just trying to get the water out, because it was like a flood in here almost. Everybody in a mad rush to take off their chrome wheels out.
How y'all get all this water in here?
Well, there was one car we had to take off the original wheels.
Oh, okay.
This car from this
I don't want to distract you from your job, man. You working pretty hard there. The boss got you working. But anyway, 32 gang. Hold on, before we get to that over there. What's this right here? We got some off-road Als over here.
That's right. It's off-road season. Get your off-road wheels.
Get your off-road wheels, man. It is off-road season. They gonna need it now if they around here in the Midwest.
Yeah. Mr. Joe from Positive Force. It's almost catching up to you how many wheels you bought.
Hey, more power to them. More money you make. But anyway, 32 gang, as y'all know, CJ on 32s is switching his wheels on his Impala. Can't show y'all. Y'all gotta watch the next video. But I sold my wheels to one of my friends, man, and Al done worked his ass off today and put them on. Look at him, he's sweating.
I got snow falling on top of me from the car.
You lost a couple pieces of hairs right here, working so hard, man, and everything.
I wish you didn't care what.
Yes, you do. Thank God I ain't gotta sit next to him on a plane.
That might still be.
How? I'm first class.
Jay's still going, right?
Oh no. Jay Boots done backed out on us, man. We done paid for his ticket. Major. Right, Al?
We have to give a seat away to a subscriber.
That's right. But anyway, let's take a look at it. This is my first time walking in here seeing it, and it's y'all first time seeing it too. So, bam! Ooh! Volano'd out, man. He's sitting up there. I didn't paint mine either. LTZ. Thing look good. Them wheels make it pop. So CJ on 32s do not own these wheels anymore.
Oh, the vents taken out. We didn't even tell them about the back.
They synced them. Nah, not the back. This is the second blue one we did too, and look, how come on all the blue ones it always look darker? Yeah, right?
Yeah, that other one.
Yeah, it was just like that, where it looked darker right there. Guess so. What he looking like, gang? And he got to ride home in the snow like this.
And there's no spacers inside there, so we modified it so it fits perfectly. We don't do spacers at Crusader Customs.
Oh, okay. That's what's up. You're gonna have to modify mine because I refuse to ride on this tire. So, not happening. What'd you say? This must be a 1LZ. Don't got a roof. Yeah. Still nice and clean. You got everything. Smell good. Yeah, I got that. Yeah. What y'all think, guys? Winning.
We also do tent for all those people. I don't think we mentioned a couple things. Well, Antonio.
The tent.
2 cars yesterday. Impala. No, Malibu. Actually, Aaron's son stopped by. We did his and the scroll custom.
Can't wait to get my boy reaction to these wheels, man. Back it up. Let us see. Is it leveled out yet, or?
Yeah.
It's leveled out. Ready for a ride in the snow.
Show them inside here before.
Man, they look real good. Yeah, I know. Just back it up a little bit.
I'm gonna swerve on you.
I never got the car chopping, but they look real good, man. The wheels look good. So shout out to Volano Wheels. Sorry I had to switch it up. But y'all know what time it is, man. Catch the next video. Right there, baby. It's going down. We unboxing my new wheels. Look luxury. Them wheels look luxury. Yeah, he gonna go crazy. He actually wanted the wheels because he taking the car down there to the Florida Classics. Mr. 75 Caprice wanted the wheels too to put on the Camaro, but it's too late. Yeah, don't open that, boy. What's wrong? You have sleep today?
Cause you know he'll be freezing already. I'm sure.
What y'all think, gang? How they looking on there? 24s look so good.
Gonna be at the Florida Classics.
Yeah, right there. Can't knock it though. Look great. Yep.
Well, I remember when you showed me the 2 wheels.
Here he go. No, he didn't. But anyway, gang, we finna wait on my guy Joe to come pick up his James. I'm tripping. They look alike, so I always get them confused. Sorry, James. Yeah, right. You get them confused. They both two of my white friends with black boy swag. So yeah, when he get here, we gonna get his reaction to his new car with his new Volano wheels on there. All right, guys, my boy James and his son that made it to the shop, man. I don't think he's ready to see his whip yet. What's going on?
I'm not ready, I'm excited though.
Y'all see him? See, this is what I was talking about when I was getting him confused. Y'all see he got that white skin, but this boy is blacker than me. He got that voice, he can dance, footwork, everything. Yeah.
Yes.
What's up, man?
What's up?
You going trick-or-treating or nah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Snowball fighter.
Who y'all? I heard they pushed it back in the neighborhood, or they trick-or-treat.
Not Joliet though.
Not Joliet. Shorewood did.
Shorewood and Braywood both pushed it to tomorrow.
Oh, okay. That's dope.
That candy, or else they're gonna egg your house.
Yeah, all right. And that's what.
Just leave your light turned out there and they think you're a pedophile.
Imagine what they gonna get coming back in return for throwing them eggs. Ain't that right?
Rotten eggs.
Hold on, man. You ready to go back here? Look at her. Look. You gonna drive it? You gonna take his car?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Since you gonna drive it, check him out, man.
Right.
Yeah. That boy look good. Florida ready.
Florida Classic ready. What do you think? We think we can get 2 mommies in my house?
No.
Just one?
Slick, man.
It looks good, man. I think it looks better on mine than yours.
They actually kind of do. I was saying the same thing earlier in the video. They look good.
Yeah, I went over to inclines and everything's good.
He tried to disrespect me, man. He definitely getting swerved though. He getting swerved on for that when I catch him in the neighborhood and I put them 40s on. Skirt. Oh, you got your costume on already. What you is? Army guy?
So I got the strut tower, so you're gonna have to use a spacer in the front.
Oh, okay, nice.
I don't like using spacers on them.
I got to get mine hit up some more.
And then it's very little bit inside here, but try to be real careful and like reverse too, because that's where it seems like it grabs more. Yeah, it grabs more.
You like it? Oh, what you doing? Go on, break it down, man. Got show 'em the Fortnite dance one time. Hey, getting it.
Probably won't see that because there's not like I said, the thing is
Your dad mounting up in the snow.
yeah. So just still take it easy on. Well, he's over me before. Yeah.
Man, this dude done had rims plenty of times. See, yeah, and it's clean. You like it?
I love it.
I love it. Look out already, man. For sure. Anyway, 32 gang, it's your boy CJ on 32s. Checking out with another video. I'm out, man. Gang.